Welcome to Maths TV. Today we'll be going through IGCSE Mathematics Paper 3 to May-June 2018. Let us go through IGCSE Mathematics Paper 3 Core 058032 May-June 2018. Question number 1. Find the value of square root of this one. So we can use calculator. Square root of 19044 will be equal to 138, then 2 raised to the power 7, this will be equal to 128. Then next question is n is an integer and it is in between 120 and 140. Find the value of n when it is a multiple of 45. So multiple of 45 and in between 120 and 40 we can multiply by, for example, 5. This will be equal to, it will be more, so 4 will be 180, it is also more, so 3 will be equal to 135, which is in between this one, so we can write here 135. And a square number which should be in between that one, and in between these two will be square number. 11s are 121, so we can write 121 as square number. A factor of 402, factor of 402, so 402 divided by 134 will be equal to 3, so we can write 134. Then a cube number is 5 cube. 5 cube will be equal to 125, so 125 is in between that range which is given. Now C part, work out the values. We have to work out these values and we can write this in calculator. So this will be 21 divided by 21 minus 15 multiply by 3 and divided by will be 18, and division 6 minus 4, this will be equal to 24. This will be our answer. Then estimate the value of this. Estimate the value of this one by rounding each number in the calculation to one significant figure. So this is not by calculator, we'll have to estimate, but to one significant figure. So 19.2, one significant figure will be only 1, but we have to lose 9, so it will be 2. And then this will be 8. Instead of 8 we'll be taking 9 because we are losing 64. So then this one 3 we can write as 30. Basically this will be 30 and divided by 6, because this is 6.32, we can lose this and then we can calculate this. So this will be fraction 2 multiplied by root 9 and divided by 30 and division sign 6, so this will be equal to 9 and 30 division 6. This will be we missed something, yeah, so this is not 2, this should be 20 because 19, this should be 20 here, so over here we'll have to put 0, so this will be equal to 12, so our answer will be 12. Question number 2, this is transformation question. Write down the mathematical name of the shaded equilateral quadrilateral shown on the grid. So this is, we know this is trapezium, so we'll write here trapezium. B part, describe fully the single transformation that maps the shaded quadrilateral onto quadrilateral A. shaded on to A. This is basically enlargement, but basically enlargement by some factor, which is we can do this. What we have to do, we have to join this. We have to join these 2 points, this point and this point. So this one, and then we have to join basically this point with this point. So that will be over here, and then we have to join from here next points as well, and the last point also we can join with this. And you can see this is enlargement by scale factor. This is length is 2 units, and this length is 1 2 3 4 5 6 units. So scale factor 1/3. So we can write here enlargement by scale factor 1/3, and center of enlargement is this one, which is -5 and -5. So we can write here center is -5 and -5. Complete this statement with the fraction in its simplest form. The area of quadrilateral A is scale factor is 1/3, so area will be square of 1/3. So we can write 1/9. Square of 3 will be 9, so this will be 1/9. On the grid, draw the image of shape A after translation by vector -4 and 7. So this is A. -4 will be 1 2 3 4, and 7 will be up 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this will come over here. So this is this point is translated over here. So 2 units here, and then 1 unit up and 1 unit over here. So we can draw this. We can draw this new location like this one. This will be the new trapezium. This is the translated one. Then they are saying shape A after a rotation of 180 degree about origin. 180 degree rotation about origin. We can draw this by using tracing paper. That will be easier and convenient. So this is our tracing paper, and this is drawing A, trapezium A. I will shade this one, and this is our coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis. This one is y-axis. So they are saying about origin 180 degree, and it should be okay. So from here up to this one is 90 degree, and further 90 degree will be over here. So it will translate over this new location. So we can say this one, this one, this one, and this one. So we'll be drawing that new location. So this will be over here, and this side for transformation questions, you will have to be careful for trying each and everything. So this is the rotated by one shape A after a rotation of 180 degree about the origin. Then they are saying shape A after a reflection in the line x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 is this line. So this line will be x is equal to 2. This line will be x is equal to 2. Now we have to reflect this. So from here 1, 2, 3 units. So 1, 2, 3 units. This one, and this and this. So this will be a reflected image of this trapezium A, and x is equal to 2 line. This is done. Question number 3. A car company has 3 sales people, Anna, Mustafa and Joshua. During March, Anna sold 21 cars and Mustafa this much and this one 15. Write on the simplify the ratio of the number of cars they sold during March. Anna will be first. In simplest form you have to write. So it will be 21 ratio 12 ratio 15. So all 3 numbers should be divisible and they are divisible by 3. So we can write 3 7s are 21, 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. This will be the simplest ratio. Each month they receive a bonus which is proportional to the number of cars they sell. The total bonus in March is this much. Show that Anna receives bonus of this one. Total bonus is this. So she's getting sum of ratios is how much? 7. 7 plus 4 plus 5 will be equal to 16. So she will be getting 7 by 16. 7 by 16 of the bonus, which is 1248, will be equal to what? 7 over 16 and multiply by 1248. This will be equal to $546, which is the same as this one. Then calculate the bonuses received by Mustafa and Joshua. So Mustafa is getting 4 out of 16. So you can write Mustafa M and Joshua J will be equal to 5 over 16 of the total amount, and total amount is 1248. So 1248, this will be equal to so we can replace here. Basically this will be 4 and this will be equal to 312. So this will be 312 and the other person is having 5 out of 16, so it will be 390. So this will be 312 and this will be 390 as answer. Then the total hours of total bonus of this one is 3 by 7 of the total profit of March. So reverse percentage, so we'll have to calculate x. 3 by 7 is equal to 1248. So x will be equal to 1248 multiplied by 7 divided by 3. This will be equal to 1248 multiplied by 7 and divided by 3. This will be equal to 2912. 2912. This will be 2912. D part. Ella wants to buy a car with a price of this one. The company reduces this price by 16%. Ella then pays a deposit of $500. Show that the amount left for her to pay is this one. So 84% basically, because of 16% is reduction. So 84% 4% of this amount she need to pay. So the amount, you can write here amount is equal to this one and calculate this. This will be 84 multiplied by 13500 and divided by 100 is equal to 11340. This is the amount. Then out of this one she has already paid, so remaining will be 13440 minus 500, which she has already paid. So this amount minus 500 will be equal to 10840. So this is equal to $10840. So this is proved. Then E part, Ella borrows 10840 from the bank. She pays this back over 3 years at a rate of this much per month. So 340 per month multiplied by 3 years, 12 into 3 will be months, so 36 months. This will be equal to 340 multiplied by 36, it will be equal to 12240. So $12240 will be our answer. Calculate the percentage increase from this amount to this amount. So we'll check first how much is increment. So 12240 minus, we can write here step also, 12240 minus 10840. 10840, this will be the increment, which is equal to 1400. This is the increment. Now we have to check this increment is against this value. So to calculate percentage, we'll be dividing by this value. 10840 multiplied by 100, this will be equal to this amount divided by, so this amount and divided by 10840, this will be equal to this one, and multiply by 100 will be equal to 12.9. So 12.9%, 12.9 over here. Question number 9, complete the table of values. First we have to complete the table of values, and this will be for -1. So 5 in brackets -1 and minus in brackets -1 squared. This will be equal to -6. We can write here -6. Then we have to write here 1. Next value is 1. So this will be equal to 4. So if we replace 1, it will be 4. If we replace 4, then by replacing 4, we will get what? Let us check. This will be equal to 4. Then if we replace 5, so we can replace this 5, this one, and we'll get 0, and last value is already given. Now we have to plot this. First value is -1, -6. -1 and -6 will be over here, but I'll have to move the page a little above. -1, -6 will be this one. Then comes 0, 0. This will be 0, 0. Then comes 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 will be this value. Then comes 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 will be this location. Then 3 and 6 also. 3 and 6 is this one. Then 4 and 4 will be this location, and 5 and 0 will be on x-axis. and 6 and minus 6 will be over here. 6 and minus 6 will be over here. Now we have to draw smooth curve. They are saying draw the graph, so we have to draw this one. So we'll start from here. Basically, before drawing, if you check, this is in balance, so we cannot draw a straight line over here. But saving side, we can check value for 2.5. so if we replace 2.5 over here, 2.5, and we'll get exact value, which is 6.25. so for this one it will be 6.25, so a little above than 6. So we can take this location, and now we can draw this one, smooth curve. We can draw a smooth curve like this, and we'll have to join this point as well. You will have to practice this a lot so that you can get a smoother line, smoother curve basically. Hopefully you are understanding each and everything, and hopefully you have subscribed the channel as well, Maths TV. So if you have not yet subscribed, then subscribe it, and don't forget to press bell icon as well, so that you will be getting intimation for incoming videos. And introduce this channel to your friends also and your respected teachers, so that they will be getting benefit of this as you are getting. So this will be the smoother line. So we are done with this. You can see this is a little smoother. So everything is done. Basically I have inverted the page. Okay, now this is the correct. Now other parts are on the next page. Write down the equation of the line of symmetry of the graph. Line of symmetry is this one over here basically. I will draw a line of symmetry, dotted line of symmetry for your explanation, like this one is line of symmetry. So we got line of symmetry, and equation of line of symmetry is this one. X is equal to 2.5. Then D part, they are saying complete the table of values for y is equal to this one. We have to complete the table of values. So we can, if we are replacing x is equal to 0, we'll get -2. This is easier than 1.5 into 2, x value 2 minus 2, this will be equal to 1. So we can write here 1. Then comes 5, so we will replace 5 value and we'll get 5.5. So table of values we got. Then they are saying on the grid draw the graph of this one. Graph of this one. Y is equal to 1.5x minus 2. Basically this is straight line. So what we can do, we can write down, I'll copy the same equation, which is y is equal to, over here I will be writing y is equal to 1.5x minus 2. So c value is 2. It means it is passing through -2, and -2 is this location. So this line is passing through this one, and the gradient is 1.5. 1.5 means if we double this 1.5, so this will be 3/2. So we can write 3 this one and 2 this side. So what I'm doing, 1.5 is m value, and we can write 1.5 by 2, and then because this is decimal, so easier way is just multiply numerator and denominator by 2 and get 3 over 2. Now it means this is our gradient. So what I've taken from here 3 units above, so 1 2 3 over here, and 2 units right, so 2 units right will be this point. So starting from here 1 2 3 units rise, and run is 2 units, 1 and 2 units. So we got this point and this point. Now we'll be joining these 2 points. To join these 2 points, I will be just changing sides. So this one and this one, we can draw this. So this is the line which we have drawn. Then they are saying use your graph to write down the solution of this equation. Solution of this equation we have to write basically, and basically these 2 points of intercept they are requiring for, and for this one x value will be 0.5. you can say this is minus 0.5, and this is 4, exactly 4, so we can write here 4. These are 2 values which we are mentioning over here. Then question number 5 is construction question. The scale drawing represents 3 sides A, B, C, C, D of a wildlife park. A, B, C, C, D of wildlife park. The scale is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter represents 50 meters. So this scale is given. Basically this is a reduced drawing in exam. This is the published paper which is a little reduced than the original one. So the measurements, specifically length and width, will not be matching. So you will have to keep in mind that this is a reduced paper. So whatever measurements we will be taking, angles will be same, but lengths and widths will be varying. So keeping in this in mind, so we'll be solving this question. The scale drawing, this one scale is this. So what we have to do, find the actual distance of AB. Now this actual distance of AB is basically the length, which will not be matching because this is reduced published paper. So if we check the length of AB in this paper which I am solving, this length is 4.5 centimeters. So 4.5 centimeters, if this is the calculation which I am doing with this published drawing, this is we will multiply this by 50 and we will get answer as 4.5 into 50 is equal to 225. But this is not matching with the marking scheme. The original drawing was having answer is 250, so divided by 50, original length was 5. So 5 centimeter calculation will be like this. 5 into 50 will be equal to 250. So this is marking scheme calculation which I am following, and this is the calculation which this drawing, which is reduced drawing, is giving us. So I have solved both. You can understand, hopefully you are getting the point also. So point E is 550 meters from A. 550 meters from A. So 550 divided by 50, because scale is 50, so this will be equal to 10. 10 or 11. Let's check. This will be divided by 50 will be equal to 11. So we'll be checking 11 centimeters from A. So what we can do, we can open compass 11 centimeters and it will be huge. So we'll have to open a little more. So still lesser now. Now this one is 11 centimeters. Now 11 centimeters from A and 600 also at the same time we can convert this 600. So 600 divided by 50 will be 12. This will be 12 centimeters. So 11 from A and 12 from D. 11 from A and 12 from D. So what we can do, this will be over somewhere here. So 11 from here and 12 from D. So this is 11, up to this one is 11, but we have to take more, which is 12. So I will try to open a little more. Hopefully I'm not breaking the compass. Okay, so this one is exactly now this one a little more bigger. Yeah, now it is 12. Now what we will do, we will keep here at D and make an arc over here. So this is the location which we got. Hopefully you understood everything. Now they are saying use your ruler and compass only to find the point E. This is our point E which we found, and draw the lines AE and DE. So we'll have to draw these two lines, AE and DE. So DE as well. So from D to E over here. Hopefully you got it. Good. Now this is done. Two state paths cross the wildlife park A, B, C, D, E. Okay, two state paths are crossing. Use a straight edge and compass only to construct the path that bisects angle ABC. So ABC angle bisector we have to draw. So angle bisector, we are opening compass like this one. I will move page a little so that you can see this one. Yeah. Now this is the arc which we'll be making to bisect this angle. Open more, and after that we'll be putting over here and another arc, this one. So we got the angle bisector. So they are saying the path that bisects angle ABC. So this will be bisector will be like this one, from here to this one, and ABC, the path that is equidistant from point C and D. equidistance from point C and D. So this will be perpendicular bisector of C and D. So we'll be opening a little more than half and making arcs above and below as well, and then we are putting over C and making arc over here and below as well. And after making these pair of arcs, we are joining this one. So this will be the path. Okay, so now they are saying the path from B crosses over a circular lake with radius 150 meters. The path from B, this path crosses B crosses over a circular lake with radius 150 meters. The center of the lake is on this path and is 350 meter from B. So 350 meter from B. So we can convert this 350 meters and divide by 50. So this will be 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters from B. So 7 centimeters from B we can measure. This will be 7 centimeter, and from B this will be over here, and center of the lake is this one, and lake is radius 150. This radius also we can divide 150 by 50. This will be equal to 3. So 3 centimeter radius. We have to draw lake at this location with radius 3 centimeters. So I will open compass 3 centimeters and draw lake over here. So this will be the lake, circular lake drawn. So we are done with everything whatever required in this question. Only the last part is remaining. On the scale drawing, construct the lake which we have done, and then they are saying calculate the actual circumference of the lake. Radius, we know radius is equal to, radius is given 150 meters, 150 meters, right? So circumference is equal to, C is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 pi into r will be equal to 2 pi into 150. So we can calculate this as 2 multiplied by pi into 150 will be equal to 942. This will be equal to 942.47, or we can write answer as 942. Question number 6. The 262 students at a college each study one of the languages shown in the table. So these are the languages shown. They have given some this one, and basically some numbers are missing which we have to tactfully get the numbers. So for example, these two numbers are given, so we can add these two and write here 48 plus 54 will be equal to 102. So we can write here 102. Now we have this 53. So 53 minus this will be this one. So we can write 53 minus 32 is equal to 21. So boys German will be 21. Then this one is adding up to this. So 123 minus these values will be giving us Japanese. So 123 minus 27 minus 21 minus 48 minus 19. This will be resulting to 8, so this will be 8. Then 8 plus 12 will be 20, and then comes to 30 minus 19. 30 minus 19 will be equal to 11, so this is 11. Then comes this one, we can check this total. 262 minus these all values, 20 minus 30 minus 102 minus 53, so answer will be 57. So this value is 57. 57 minus 27 will be 30, so 30 here. And now we can add the second row girls, so 30 plus 32 plus 54 plus 11 plus 12, this will be equal to 139. So 139 we filled. So table we are done with. Then B part, find the probability that a girl chosen at random studies Spanish. Spanish is this girl chosen at random. So this will be 54. 54 out of how many girls? 139. So 54 divided by 39, 139. And a boy chosen at random studies French or Italian. French, this one, boy, 27, and this one 19. So these two numbers we'll be checking. 27 plus 19 divided by the total boys, which is 123, and this will be, we can write 27 plus 19 will be equal to 46, so this will be 46 over 123. Then a student chosen at random does not study German. Study German is 53 students are studying German, these many numbers, so we can subtract like 262 or the total students minus 53 and divided by 262. This will be the probability. So this will be 262 minus 53 will be equal to 209. So we can write 209 divided by 262. So 209 divided by 262. This will be our answer. Then C part, 72 students each study one of the sciences shown in the table: bio, chemistry and physics. This is 25. For 25, angle is 125. For 16, we can check 16. So 16 divided by 72 number of students and multiply by 360. This will be equal to, basically we forgot to put multiplication, so 80. This will be 80. And then similarly we can calculate 31. Angle for 31 will be 155. Now we have done this, complete the table, then complete the pie chart also. So first we will draw this one, 125 angle, or even 125 will be, we can check from here, this is 0. Then 125 will be this one. Then we can join this. I'll move it over here. So this will be up to the circumference. This one, this is 125, and this is bio. So we can write here 125, which is biology. Then next is 80 for chemistry. So we will move it like this, and 80 will be from here. We will be checking 80. 80 is up to this one, so we can join this, and this will be up to the circumference, and this angle is 80, and this is for chemistry. So I'll erase this because okay, so now this is 80 degrees and this is for chemistry, and this last one is 155 degrees, and this is for physics. Question number 7. Louis leaves home at 9:55 and cycles the 5.6 kilometer to the supermarket at a constant speed. She takes 15 minutes to complete the journey. So write down the time she arrives at this one. So just we have to add 15 minutes in this one. So 9 hours and 55 minutes plus 0 hours and 15 minutes, this will be equal to 10. Next part B, they are asking to calculate average speed for her home to supermarket in kilometers per hour is required. So 5.6 distance divided by time, which is 15 minutes. So multiply by 60, and this one will be equal to, we can check this, 5.6 and divided by 1.5 and multiply by 60 will be equal to basically 5.6. no, this is not 1.5, this is 15. Yeah, so this is 22.4. so 22.4 will be our answer in meters per second. So 22.4 kilometers into meters will be 1000, and hours divided by 60 will be minutes, then again 60 will be seconds, and this calculation we can do 22.4 multiplied by 1000 and divided by 60 into 60. This will be equal to 6.2. so 6.2 will be our answer. Lois stays at the supermarket for 32 minutes. On the grid opposite, draw the travel graph of her journey from home to her stay at the supermarket. So she starts at from home at 9:55 and reaches at supermarket as 10:10. So we will use this reference. 9:55 will be this one, and this is 9. This is basically 10, so this will be 9:55. So this point, and 10:10 will be this reference, and she reaches to the supermarket, and supermarket is over here, so we can mark over here. So we can join these 2 points. So by joining these points we will get the travel graph for her. So this one we have drawn. Then after that, what we have to do, story is on this page. So this one stays for 23 minutes. So from here 23 minutes we have to draw a straight line. 23 minutes, this is 10:10, so 23 will be 10:33 basically. So 33 will be this reference, line will be tracing this one. So we can join this. This is her stay in the market up to this one. And then they are saying Louis' mother leaves home at 10:07. So 10:07 is which one? 10:10 is this. So 10:07 will be this location. So at this time, her mother left to meet Lois at the supermarket. She cycles at a constant speed of 28 kilometers per hour. So 28 kilometers per hour is the speed. Now we have to work out how long she takes for 5.6 kilometer journey. So we can calculate this journey. Distance, speed is equal to distance over time. So it means time is equal to distance over speed, and this will be equal to 5.6 divided by speed, which is 28. This will be equal to basically this will be 5.6 divided by 28 will be equal to 1 by 5, 0.2, and this 0.2 is in hours, time is in hours, multiply by 60 will be minutes, and multiply this by 60, this will be equal to 12. So answer in minutes will be 12 minutes. We can write here 12 minutes, and we have to, so she's taking 12 minutes to reach the supermarket. We will check 12 minutes. She's starting at 10:07, which is this location, which we have already indicated. Now she has taken 12 minutes. This is 10:07, so 10:07 plus 12 will be 10:19. So this is 20:19 will be up to this one. So she will be arriving at 10:19, and so 10:19 we can take the reference from here, and this will be 10:19 over here, and we can make a line from this point to, I'll have to move over here so that you can properly see, from this line to this point. So this is her mother's journey, this one. She started at 10:07. She started from here and reached at this location. Now this second part we have done this on the grid. Show her mother's journey. They cycle home together at a constant speed and arrive at 10:54. So at constant speed they arrived at 10:54. So 10:54 we will check from the grid where it will be. So 10:54 will be over here. This is 10:50, and this is this one is 10:54. So we can join this with this one. Basically we have to join with this point, and this is the back to home journey of both of them. And now next point they are saying, this one 10:54, they reached at 10:54. Then on the grid show their journey, which we have shown. Calculate in kilometer per hour their constant speed on the on the journey home. So they traveled the total distance from supermarket to home, which is 5.6, which we are already using this distance. So distance will be 5.6 and time taken is how much? From 10:54 from 10:33 they started at 10:33 and reached at 10:54. So we will write down time 10:54, 10 hours 54 minutes minus 10 hours and 33 minutes. This one we will be calculating with the help of calculator. So 5.6 divided by 54 minutes minus 10 hours and 33 minutes. So this will be equal to 16 kilometer per hour. So we can write here 16 kilometer per hour. This was a little tricky question. So we have solved this, and graph also we have shown. This is question number 8. A part, this is a triangle provided with the two sides equal. In the triangle, AB is equal to AC, and find angle BAC. We have to find angle BAC. Basically this one, this is easier. Just we'll have to, we know that these angles are adding up to 360. So 360 minus 136 and minus 108, this will be equal to 116. So this is 116 degrees. We can write here 116 degrees. Then angle ABC. ABC is this angle. We know these two sides are equal, their opposite angles will be equal. So remaining angle is how much? 180. 180 minus 116 will be equal to this much, and divided by 2 will be 32. So this angle is 32 degrees. So we can write here 32 degrees. 1 mark question, so no working is required for these questions. Next is question B part, basically of the same question. B part, they are saying the diagram shows a circle, center F and diameter BG. BG is diameter, AC is a tangent, AC is tangent to the circle B. BF is parallel to DE, angle GFE is 72, and angle BCD is equal to CDE. These two angles are equal. So write down the mathematical name of the polygon BCDEF. This is basically having 5 sides, so pentagon. So we can write here pentagon. Explain why angle FBC is right angle triangle. FBC is right angle. Why? Because this is tangent. So tangent makes 90 degree with the radius. We'll write tangent makes 90 degree with the radius. Third part, find angle BFE. Angle BFE. BFE. This angle. This is straight line. So 180 minus 72. So 180 minus 72 will be 108. So we can write 108 degrees because angle on straight line add up to 180 degree. Angles on straight line add up to 180 degree. Find angle FED. Now FED, this angle is required basically, and this angle will be, this is parallel to this, so this is 72, this will also be 72. So we can write here 72 degrees. Then calculate angle BCD. BCD is this angle. So we have all the angles like BFE also we have calculated 108. We have this angle, this is 90 degree. So these two are equal, so we'll add up to, and we know their this pentagon angles are 540. So 540 minus these three angles which we have, or 108 plus 72 plus 90, this will be equal to, so 540 minus 108 plus 72 plus 90, this will be equal to 270. So 270 degrees, and the 270 degree is these two angles, so we will be dividing 270 by 2 to get this required angle. So we will write here 270 degrees divided by 2 will be equal to 135 degrees. So our answer will be 135 degrees. Question number 9. We have to solve this algebraic equation. This is easier. We have to just open the brackets. So this will be 6x minus 12 is equal to 4x plus 28. So we can shift this to this side. 6x minus 4x will be equal to 28 plus 12. This will be 2x is equal to 40. So this implies x is equal to 20. So we can write here 20. Then Bindu goes to the market to buy apples and bananas, 7 apples and 4 bananas for 85 cents. 7 apples, 4 bananas, 85 cents. And 3 apples, 8 bananas, 93 cents. So this equation they have formed for us. First equation they have formed for us. Similarly, we will be writing the second equation. That will be 3 apples, which is A, plus 8 bananas, so 8B is equal to 93 cents. So our equation will be 3A plus 8B is equal to 93. Now the second part is solve these two simultaneous equations. So to solve this one, we will be taking these two equations, which is first equation is this one, which is 7a plus 4b is equal to 85, and 3a plus 8b is equal to 93. So we can multiply this equation by 2 so that we will get coefficient of b as 8 over here. So this will be 14a plus 8b is equal to 85. So 85 multiplied by 2 will be equal to 170. So we can write here 170. Now we can subtract. This is changing signs. This is gone. This is minus 11a is equal to 170 minus 170 plus 93. This will be equal to minus 77. So minus gone, a will be equal to 7. So a value is 7. Now we can find b value by replacing a value in any of these two regional equations. So 3, I will replace in this one, 3 into a will be equal to, basically 3 into a means value of a, which is 7. So we can replace 3 into 7 plus 8b, which is equal to 93. So 21 plus 8b is equal to 93. So 8b will be equal to 93 minus 21. So 93 minus 21 will be equal to 72. So b will be equal to 72 over 8, which is equal to 9. So answer will be 9. Hopefully you understood each and everything. So if you have not yet subscribed, then subscribe Maths TV, and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will be getting intimation, and also introduce channel to your friends and also to your respected teachers. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.